Hi, this is Bill with the electricaldepot.com, and we're here today to demonstrate the Greenlee Palatine PA1461 indent crimper. This would be a budgeted crimper for crimping indents for terminals such as the Deutsch 1614 contacts. Unlike the Deutsch HDT 48-00, which is a ratcheted crimp tool, this uses simple hand pressure to do the crimping. You first loosen the nut in the back. That sets the depth of the terminal inside of the cavity. You take the terminal, drop it inside of the indent cavity. You adjust the nut. You would like to have the terminal flush with the top of the tool. You take your wire that's been pre-stripped, you stick it in, you insert it into the terminal, and then you apply pressure by squeezing. You release the pressure, and that creates the indent crimp right around the green mark, which is where you'd like the crimp to be. Again, this is the Greenlee Palatine PA1461. This crimper crimps the range of 20 to 12 gauge, so it will work fine with the Deutsch DTP connectors, size 12 contacts, the Deutsch DT connectors, which use the size 16 contacts, and the DTM connectors, which uses the size 20 contact. Greenlee Palatine also makes a PA1460 crimp tool, which has a crimping range of 20 to 26 gauge, a much smaller crimping range. Again, this is the Greenlee Palatine PA1461 crimp tool, has been demonstrated. Bill with the electricaldepot.com.